Why do you need an endless supply to paint on? Let me know if this sounds like you. You buy a nice new canvas, but then you're too afraid to paint on it, waiting for the perfect idea. I know that feeling. But what if you never had to worry about wasting a canvas again? Here's how to get endless painting boards. I grab old plywood or broken furniture people leave by the dumpsters and turn them into painting boards. Costs nothing, works perfectly. Just make sure it's flat, no bubbles, not warped. Cut it to the size you like, or keep a big piece and trim it as needed. Brush on a thin layer of wood glue or even school glue thinned with water. Don't forget to wash your brush after. Personally, I use professional restoration glue because I restore the decor of Barcelona's oldest herbalist shop. Maybe you've seen it in perfume. If you want to learn real restoration and start getting high-paid projects, my step-by-step online course shows every technique: cleaning, repair, retouching, varnishing, even if you're a beginner. The link's below. Check it out. For a smooth finish, sand it a bit. Love texture? Skip the sanding. More grip for your paint. Now cover it with acrylic primer. One jar lasts forever. Want extra texture? Dab in some rough fabric while the gesso's still wet. Totally optional. Next, lay down a toned ground layer. Use a warm, earthy color with a bit of oil, or a solvent if you're in a rush. This makes your paint go on richer and hides those annoying white spots. When you cut the board, always use a straight, sturdy edge. I use a metal ruler. Make several passes with a utility knife. Don't try to cut all the way through at once. And seriously, keep your fingers behind the ruler. Don't risk your fingertips for art. Now you've got a pro-quality painting panel for free. Like this video if you found it useful, and let me know in the comments what surfaces you paint on. Subscribe for more hacks and restoration secrets.